In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 82 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 4, that is why we will bring down this number 2 here. Now see that this is the number 2, so we will remove this 0. As we have brought down the number 2, so we need to divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 2. Now in this case, as 2 is less than 4, we will borrow 1 0. And for that, we need to put a decimal here. Because we don't have any number to bring down here. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 82 divided by 4 is equal to 20.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.